Going on a trip in the back pasture and trying not to run into spider webs because my daughter's shorter than I am. Go. If you want to walk, walk.
Frog.
A frog?
Right here.
Oh, Wibbit. Oh, God. I'm stuck. Get out of here, freaking mosquito.
Where is it, frog?
Come on.
The frog. See the frog?
We're freaking standing here being bait.
There it is.
Allie, you should see all the freaking mosquitoes around you. Oh, for God's sakes.
What?
Fine.
I was just looking at the froggy.
I know, but you're just standing there and I'm getting ate up.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look how nice and open it is.